Well, here we are in Bend, Oregon, and I am taking my first mountain bike ride with my new Insta camera 360 set up with the POV, which is personal view, something personalized view, whatever it is, vest camera setup. So it's a chest mount, and I am just heading to the Phil Trailhead. Oh, that should be a nice view for you. That's Three Sisters over there. Yep. I really enjoy riding here in Bend. All right, well, we're here now at the trailhead and just started on Marvin Garden. Nice fun trail through here. I don't know that run yet, so I'll avoid the bridge. All right, we're on a little short downhill section. Trying to avoid trees and some rocks. Work it through here. All right, as you can see, starting to get into the lava flow area here on our left. Just wanted you to see that. Little rocky section. Woohoo! All right. All right, we are gonna pop that one. Okay. Walk through these. All right. Still climbing on Phil's trail. As you can see, it's pretty dry and really dry for this time of year. The trails here in Bend are always a little sandier and drier than Park City, but there's a lot of dust here. But I love riding here, so. Yes, this is some of the challenge you have in Bend. You're going between trees, and sometimes you actually have to do a little shift left to right to get between. You can see this one's fairly close, not too bad. And another group here, work through. And that one's close. All right, a little rock section. There we go. All right, I'm almost to the top of Pine Drops. This is the last climb before you hit the downhills, unless I decide I still want to climb up upper whoops, and we'll see. All right, look, it's pretty through here. If you notice, it's denser here than the previous recordings. It all used to be like this, but unfortunately we had the fires and they had to thin a lot of that out. All right, we're on Upper Whoops, climbing the last part. I just wanted you to see how pretty this forest and all of this used to look like this. But as you can see, there's still fire remnants through here, but they haven't thinned this section out, so it's still pretty through here with the dappling sunlight. All right, finally some downhill. Get my gears up back. All right, we're on Upper Whoops. A little sandy through there. All right, back into the woods. Hopefully nobody's coming up. All right. I don't know where that one went. This is the first time this year on this one, so not taking it too risky, but we'll do a little log there. All right, doing some more, going downhill on Upper. There was a forest guy. I hadn't seen him on my way up. Okay, gonna catch some more. These fun little hoop-de-doos. Throw a rock in there every once in a while, just keep you paying attention. All right. Little sandy loams to mess with you. Little drop-offs. Little hoops. Throw in a tree or two every once in a while. All right. Fun stuff. That little beeps telling me I'm getting near the trailhead. All right, we are now on Lower Whoops. You can see why it's called that. All right, getting in some fun stuff. All right. I think my seat's loose. Oh, these are just so much fun. Okay. At 70 years old, I don't push too much for high air. Kind of ride through them, but I sure have a lot of fun. Those little beeps you hear is Garmin telling me, oh, you did a jump. It records them and gives me my altitude, which I'm never doing a ton on that. Well, who's... All right, little break section. I'll stop recording. Some more. Get little hoopies in here. Gotta pay attention a little. All right. Oh, hello. All right. Fun stuff. A few little hoops. A little tree thrown in every once in a while to keep you paying attention. Oh yeah. A lot of time for thinking there. This has a nice front end. Absorbs the shocks of those rocks pretty good. All right. All right. I don't know what I'm getting into here. There's at least some roots. Oh yeah. Work it, work it. All right, well, we're now on Phil's trail, working our way down. I'm now about, what am I? Almost 20 miles into the ride. Having a great time. Oh, hello. Oops. All right, and it's just a beautiful day. Almost all the rest is downhill. So that's fun. Just have some little fun sections. Look through these. This front suspension's really nice. It just eats rocks like this and this one. And that. Got some fun tones in. I just was listening, We Are the Champions going down through that hoops, which was a whole lot of fun. Oh yeah, there's a section through here I'm going to pay a little attention to. Drop-offs. roots, rocks, rocks in the road, and roots. All fun stuff. Keeps you paying attention. Don't want to fall asleep on a road like this, or a single track, I should say. Woohoo! Okay, we got a little rocky section through here. Oh, I'll take this one and this lava. Okay. I forgot about that section, but made it through safe. Found the line. Okay. Few more little rockies because we're in this lava section between lava rock and roots. You get a workout. Okay.